If you've just purchased Hostinger and don't know where to start, this video is for you. Today I'll give you a complete tour of the Hostinger hPanel dashboard, so you'll know exactly where everything is before building your website. This is Hostinger's control panel, called hPanel. From here you can manage your websites, domains, files, databases, emails, backups, and much more, all from one place. Let's start with the Websites section. This is where you'll manage all your websites. You can open your site's dashboard, access settings, or upload a new project. One of the most useful tools is the File Manager. Think of it as the storage space for your website. This is where you'll upload your HTML, CSS, JavaScript files, and organize your project folders. Hostinger also includes tools for managing databases, business email accounts, SSL certificates, backups, and DNS settings. We'll explore each of these in dedicated videos throughout this playlist. Don't worry if all of this looks confusing right now. By the end of this playlist, you'll know exactly how to build, upload, and manage professional websites using Hostinger. In the next video, we'll upload our first HTML, CSS, and JavaScript website to Hostinger and make it live on the internet. If you're interested in AI-powered web development and modern hosting, make sure to subscribe. New videos in this series are coming soon.